Hey there, real quick. This is Mike, here to tell you about a critically important workshop from the U.S. Concealed Carry Association. This 100% free workshop will immerse you in realistic self-defense scenarios and help you understand how you'd react in an actual self-defense situation. Plus, each attendee will get self-defense training materials and tools, $100 value, to take home absolutely free. Now, this workshop will feature lifelike violent encounters that give you the opportunity to test your knowledge and train to respond correctly. Split-second decision-making drills that will help you understand the 4 steps required to properly and justifiably defend yourself. Realistic physical and mental stressors associated with a high-pressure self-defense incident. Plus, a live Q&A with USCCA certified instructors. Just look at it this way. The craziness we've experienced over the past couple of years doesn't seem like it's going to let up anytime soon. And that's why you need to adapt and prepare for what's happening in the here and the now. This training could quite literally save a life someday. So click to get all of the details and secure your spot, and we'll see you soon.